Hello guys, I am melting butter. Okay, so I am going to make a homemade popcorn. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, so this is the corn I will be using, guys. Okay, so now I am waiting the butter to melt. I will add a little bit of popcorn because my pot is not big, guys, just small. Okay, so here's the popcorn. That's pretty much it. Okay, and then I'm gonna cover the popcorn, guys. And now guys, I am waiting to pop the corn. Okay, and then I will show you later, guys, when it start popping. Say hi to my vlogs. Hi guys. Why is orange? The camera is orange. Guys, can you hear the pop? Just listen. Okay, so this is a small pan. Okay, we have one big pan, but you know there's food inside, so I use this one, guys. Okay guys, so I am going to shake this pan and then I will show you guys when it's finished, guys. Okay guys, let me show you guys the popcorn. Okay, whoa, look at guys, that's the popcorn. Ay. I just have to lift so little, guys, because all the popcorn is gonna be on the floor if I open this, so you know. Okay, still popping. Look at guys, this is a homemade popcorn. And guys, let's check the popcorn. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Here's my homemade popcorn. Who wants popcorn?
Oh, I want popcorn.
Okay. You want popcorn?
Yeah, I want popcorn.
Okay. Okay, so how do you like the homemade popcorn, honey?
Oh, it's good.
Good. Okay. You sure that's the popcorn, guys? Is it better than ano?
Yeah.
Or the
It's like,
same?
what do you call it? Theater popcorn. Tastes pretty good.
Okay. Okay.